save it, people. That guy loves it. Of course he does. He's like my childhood. Oh wow, it's the Nutcracker Suite over here. He's doing great. He's doing great. Oh my goodness, it's a winter wonderland. Oh, 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 very. All right, we got a 56 Apache.
How about a 59 Apache?
59, that's what I meant.
That's what he said. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome. I'm Christopher, and the guy behind the camera, as always, is Jake the Snake. Here to my immediate right is a 1959 Chevrolet Apache. This has been beautifully restored, and it's a blue color.
It is a blue color.
Two-tone blue with an inline six. It's a 235 inline six. 3-speed, 3 on the tree.
Look how nice that looks.
Oh, it starts, runs, got a push button start on the floor.
It actually runs really well. Yeah, the inline six are very reliable. So
very reliable.
And it's a good old 3 on the tree.
I love the 3 on the tree. I love the 390 ratio in the back. First gear is probably about 2 seconds. But wonderful, wonderful bed with the wood. I wouldn't put anything in it. It's just too pretty.
Yeah, the wood's really cool. It's got this clear coat or whatever it is on top of it.
Thank
Looks
goodness.
really nice. The brushed steel, I'm assuming, is the little runners in the middle.
It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at it.
Blue and white two-tone. I mean, this thing is just absolutely gorgeous.
It's stunning. The inside.
And
well,
guess what color the inside
the
is?
The matchy continues.
Blue and white.
It's just gorgeous. They really did a great job, whoever restored it. Hats off to them.
Big steering wheel. Steers like a school bus with that steering wheel, and the gauges are just cool in the middle. That little V shape that a lot of old Chevys had.
Absolutely.
In the 50s with their gauges. The doors close immaculately.
They did a very good job. It's a very straight build. You can look right down the side. Straight, straight, straight. I love that. Jake, come on. Let's take it for a spin.
Sounds good to me.
Let's do it.
Yes, okay, and we're live.
And we're live, ladies and gentlemen.
Hold on, give me your mic so I can go.
Oh, yeah. I don't know who mic is. Here we go.
I don't know who mic is either. I'm going to get this covered up. Oh. Beautiful closing door. Very nice. Close your door all the way. There you go. Here's your mic back.
Excelsior.
All right. Now we're going. I'm going to use my cranky window. Oh, yeah.
I love a cranky window.
Cranky windows never fail.
Rarely, if they do.
Oh, yeah. 3 on the tree. Chevrolet Apache.
Yes. So as far as beans are concerned,
not a lot.
No.
But you don't need a lot of them.
No, not for this truck.
It's not a huge truck, to be honest.
It's not.
It's a very nice truck. Look at that headliner and everything.
You know what I'm happy about? It's not an LS1 swap.
The sun visors are nice. Everything in here is like nicely painted. The dash is nice. Got a little radio down here. All of our knobs. Our heater. We do have a heater.
Yes, we do.
And then we have some gauges. And look, even the needle in the gauges is blue.
Needle on the record. The needle on the record. Oh, mechanical drum brakes.
They still work.
They still do. Remember, kids, brake early.
Brake early, brake often. Well, braking often isn't the best for drum brakes, but braking early is good.
For us, it is.
Ooh, second gear action.
Come on, fella. She's a little chilly. We're below the sea.
It is a little cold today.
Oh, 41. It's terrible. We don't need air conditioning today, folks.
No, we do not. The heater is nice, though. The heater is nice. Oh, here's the roundabout.
The roundabout of death.
And it steers good.
It does. You're right. Very similar to a bus driver, this big old thing.
It steers. Oh, and the horn works. But yeah, it steers like a school bus, which is hilarious.
It is cool.
But it also means it's got a lot of character. Oh, look at that. Third gear.
That was a seamless shift.
It was. Like a race car driver.
Yeah, well, yeah. Do an LS1 swap, but leave the 3 on the tree. Wouldn't that be something? But not today. 235 inline 6.
I like the 3 on the tree.
It makes you work.
It's got character.
This thing is lousy with character.
You could put a floor shifter in this or an automatic, but it wouldn't be as fun.
It's a very small can of beans, but you know what? It's a powerful can of beans. And it's a blue can of beans. I really love this truck.
Well, technically the beans are orange. The engine.
Very true.
The rest of the truck is blue, though.
My God, that's the only orange part. Oh, look at the mirrors. Just really well done.
Yeah, no mirror on the passenger side.
But you do got your mirror on the driver's side and the rear view. So, you know, that's plenty of mirrors. You only really need 2. And the horn.
Horn works. I like waving at people.
And I think this is our heater down here as well, under the dash. Is that original? Does this say?
I don't. I believe it probably was. It's release restored.
It doesn't say, but I'm sure it was.
I thought that was our car.
390 gears. You know, it doesn't feel that short in third.
No,
it cruises nicely. But I mean, this inline-6 doesn't mind a little bit of RPM.
These are new drum brakes, my friend, because when I hit the brakes, they're stopping.
They are stopping. It actually stops really well. And it went in a straight line, which is great.
I love stopping in a straight line.
Modern Bluetooth stereo.
What?
This stereo.
Oh, it looks old, though.
This stereo. Oh, it is Bluetooth. It's got modern buttons and stuff on it. It just looks original. I didn't even, you know, give it a second look. The woodbed floor. Yeah, the woodbed floor is absolutely stunning. That is great. Oh, and it shifts really nice.
It does. For 390 gears, boy, it is a little peppy. It's a little peppy.
Really smooth for a 3 on the tree. God, you really love that horn, don't you?
I do. I love driving a bus. It's just great.
It is like a school bus.
I wish that brush truck was at the top.
Turn the heater up a bit.
Oh, yeah.
Now that the engine's warmed up.
Yeah, we're above C.
Yeah, great. All the gauges work, too. Great oil pressure, good amps. Fuel gauge works. The temperature gauge is starting to come up a little bit. It is cold, so it took a minute, but... And the speedo works. And it's blue.
Speedo. And it's a blue speedo.
It's blue needle in the speedo.
On the rupture. All right.
Stop sign. Time for beans. Second gear action.
It's on the floor.
You know,
we're getting there.
Not the most beans I've ever felt in my life.
Is this a ZR1? No.
No.
Not even close, but it is a Chevy.
It runs like a sewing machine, though. It really does.
Oh, yeah. It's just rock steady. Want to do some flybys?
And, yeah, we can certainly do that. And I really doubt you'll ever have a problem with this very robust inline-6.
Yeah, it's a great little motor.
They're basically just meant to run and run forever and get you around reliably. Plus, I mean, with how good this truck looks, it's best of both worlds. It's got a great looking vehicle and a great running engine.
It is. Would you care for the mic?
Sure. I will take the mic. Thank you.
I'll go down there and turn around and just give it all the beans I've got.
Ooh, it's windy out here.
Windy. Windy.
I mean, you came by me at a blistering speed.
It's not a Formula One car, but you know what? It's a really beautiful truck. You should absolutely drive it back.
I will.
Let's do it, man.
Okay. First gear.
All right. Second gear. Hold tight.
Well, now that it's warmed up, it runs.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Amazing.
It shifts super, super smooth.
Oh, yeah.
I really like it, and everybody looks at it.
Because it's a beautiful truck, and it's bright blue.
Yeah, it's hard to miss.
It definitely grabs some attention. And you're right, it drives like a school bus.
It does. I just want to honk the horn and start making stops.
Very nice.
You gotta wave at people.
This truck doesn't cease to amaze me. Second gear action. It's self-canceling too.
Really? Oh my God!
I mean,
that's impressive.
I don't know. Is that impressive for 59? I don't know. Well, self-canceling blinkers.
You remember the Nomad of the same color?
Yeah.
That had all kinds of options.
Yeah.
All kinds of.
That'd be quite a set if you bought both of those.
Oh.
This and that Nomad was also the same blue and white two-tone. 6 was.
Gosh, I missed that one. That was a gorgeous, gorgeous.
Yeah, that car was amazing.
Similar colors.
You gotta just
wave at people.
That guy loves it.
Of course he does. He's like my childhood.
This is the type of place you drive this around in.
Actually, yes. They used to have parades here.
Small American towns.
This looks like Americana. This looks like 1959.
It does.
You know, you should take pictures down here sometimes.
They've got Christmas decorations up.
Well, if you want to, I can take it. You know how to get to the main center.
Where am I going?
Oh, you can take a left at Canal.
We'll take a left.
I like the fact we're getting lost back here. Oh, wow.
We're not
Are you
lost. I'm in third. I'm in third gear.
Hey, look, it's a blue car, but it's not as blue
It's
as
a Honda. There's a blue door on that house.
Ah, the house with the blue door.
This is Newtown.
Newtown, USA, ladies and gentlemen.
It's literally called Newtown for those who don't live around St. Louis.
It's been Newtown for many years.
Yes.
Eventually, it's going to be called Town.
Eventually, it'll just be town.
20 years from there,
And
it'll
in
be
a
Old
long time from now, it'll be Old Town. And the Old Town will be very Old Town.
Oh, wow, it's the Nutcracker Suite over here.
This guy's got so many decorations.
Yeah, he's doing great.
He's doing great. Oh my goodness, it's a winter wonderland.
Oh, 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 Merry Christmas.
Yeah, the center of Newtown with that big fountain.
The Fountain of Joy.
Very nice. Is that what it's called? The Fountain of Joy?
I call it the Fountain of Joy. You know what?
You just made that up, didn't you?
I did.
I'll make a right turn with my blinker.
Right turn,
That's
Clyde.
self-canceling.
Self-canceling blinker.
It's a nice lake.
It is. The fish bite. And I've fallen in it more than once.
The fish bite?
Oh, yeah. They're.
Good fishing, huh?
Oh,
What
it's
kind of
real
fish?
good fishing. Carp. A little crappy carp, I think. Or
Little crappy carp.
crappy. Crappy or carpy.
There's a really old barn right ahead of us.
Yes, so they did. That's where my buddy's wedding reception was.
Probably built around the time this truck was, unless it's made to look old.
It's made to look old, I think.
Oh,
It's distressed.
it's distressed wood.
And it's not like worried or nervous. It's just old wood.
This thing just puts around perfectly. It's really
It does.
easy to drive, honestly.
Well, for
Just-
non-power steering through these
Well,
little bitty things.
it's got such a big wheel that you don't need power steering. It just, it reacts.
It
And
does.
it's pretty tight too.
You have to go left.
Where the hell are we, Chris?
Oh, God, we may never get out alive.
I think we'll be fine.
Okay, am I exaggerating? Of course I am.
Look at all those geese.
It's a gaggle.
It's a gaggle of geese.
There's a whole separate thing about the gaggle of geese, but I can't talk about
Googling
it.
and a gaggle of geese at a dog park.
Oh, now look at this old truck. It's a long bed, too.
It's a Ford. Curse
We're
you!
tough.
This is the enemy. We're in an Apache.
That's true.
Although I like Ford trucks. Third gear again.
Blast you.
Oh, that's so much better.
Yeah. Blast. Gotta wave at everyone when we honk. That's just the rules. Take it right here.
Them's the rules.
Nice.
Feel the beans.
Well, it's a small grouping of beans.
It's a gaggle of beans.
A gaggle of beans. We saw a gaggle of geese. Why not a gaggle of beans?
Yeah, this is the type of two-lane highway it's used to.
Never known anything more, I'd imagine.
Out here in rural Missouri is where it's supposed to live. You get a nice solid clunk when you get over into
You do.
the second, third gear area.
That third gear is it's so seamless.
Oh, good patch. Look at that.
Nice.
Get up to 50 miles an hour. The highest speeds this truck's seen maybe ever.
Yeah, it's not definitely a fast truck. Where shall we put this truck?
We'll put it back in the east.
Done. Yeah, that Mustang would be fun. Another blue car. It's Blue Car Tuesday.
It is Blue Car Tuesday.